Right, we are adding and subtracting directed number using number line. So we need to have, oh, sorry, we need to have the number line there so to help us to do so. And so I use it horizontally to help me with that. So previously, when we were young, we were counting the number line. So something like that. When we were young, we're going for directed number. So if we want 2 plus 3, so I'm starting from 2 and count 1, 2, 2 step, 3 step because it's plus 3. And then we get to our 5, our final stage. Yeah. So it's 2 plus 3. And when we have minus, all right, when we have minus, we do the same thing, but we're counting it backwards. So plus is counting to the right, or positive side, I would say that. And the minus is counting to the left. So we have 5 minus 1. So is what we do is starting, this is the start point. And this is the steps. This is the direction. Yeah, so going backward 1 step and with 4. Yeah, this is what we do when we were young. Now, we were going to do that. It's like we're related to directed number. So the first level is, you see me? Yes. All right. So the first level of those is our very familiar. Now we know the left side of the circle of 0. Right? So we can start with negative 2. Negative 2 plus 5. So we start at negative 2, start point, plus means to the right, and then 5 steps. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps, and this is our answer 3. Always use the number line, that will help us a lot with those. All right. They are not in scale, so don't worry about that. So we have the other one. So we have 2 minus 4. So we start at 2. Direction left. 4 steps. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be equal to negative 2 because this is the end point. All right. So adding and minusing positive number will do. All right. Now the tricky bit is adding and subtracting negative number. So we're going to go do that. We do the same thing. All right. It's a bit tricky there, but if you follow the trick, that should be okay because we tackle the tricky problem with the trick. So we have, I got my number line first. So we start with 2 minus, I need a bit more. 2 minus negative 3. We got a bracket there because we do not want two minus together. You will miss that, like we become 1. So we want to separate it by a bracket. So we, same rule, we start at 2, start point, direction is left. However, this is a negative, therefore negative number means opposite, remember? Opposite the original way. So we have start with 2, supposed to be minus, go that way, but it's a negative 3, so we go opposite. Get a U-turn. U-R-N. All right, and then we start to count 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 5. Well, let's try the other one. And we could do the other bit as well. So we have the all right, so we do the same thing with those. So negative 2 plus positive 3. All right, we do the same thing. Plus a -2, start at -2. Direction, right? Positive means no change. And 3 steps. So -2 start, going that way. Positive, no change. So we count 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we got 1 as the answer. Okay, so we have, the way we do is like, the starting point is here. The operation is the changing direction, is the direction, initial direction, and the number, the direction of the number here we'll see if we need to change the direction or not. This is how we use that number line to work with the addition. We work with the adding and subtracting director number.